Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to remove shortcut virus from a USB drive without losing data in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. I'll show you guys how to do it. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to type where USB drive letter. In my case my drive is G. Type G in command prompt and type colon and press enter. And now the G drive is selected. Now check my video description for these two commands. You just need to copy it one by one and paste it. After pasting both commands, you can check if the virus is removed or not. If the virus is not removed, then let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Select the download option and download this shortcut virus remove program. Select no thanks, I continue downloading shortcut virus remover. Select the download now option. After getting download done, you just need to select this folder icon. Right click on the zip file and select extract all. Select extract. After getting extract done, you just need to install this program guys. Just double click on it. Select yes. Select next. Select next. Select yes. Select start. After getting installed done, select the exit. And now close stuff here. Open this program in the desktop. Now you just need to type where USB drive letter in here. In my case, my USB drive letter is G. Just type G in here and click on clean virus. Select yes. Select yes. Select yes. Select yes. Select yes. Virus removed successfully. After getting this, select yes. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. In my case, my all shortcut virus has been removed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.